I'm Chester Campbell. I'm the author of 2 separate mystery series. I'm both the president of the Middle Tennessee chapter of Sisters in Crime and the secretary of the Southeast chapter of Mystery Writers of America. And both of these organizations are sponsors of Killer Nashville. And we've done that because we feel it's an excellent educational opportunity for our members, and something that is not overly expensive. Some of the conferences I've been to run several $100s, and this one is one that everybody can afford, I think. So we have encouraged our members to attend it and support it fully. I think if you had to make a choice of one of several conferences, this one would probably be the choice, both from the standpoint of cost and the range of experiences you'll get, because you'll hear from all kinds of professional authors and people from the forensic area. It's just a good all-around conference.